In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 different ways to make money online and from home by doing absolutely nothing. Now, I appreciate you probably thinking, well, that sounds like utter nonsense. However, over on this YouTube channel and my blog here that's on the screen, I trial things, I share them, and today's video is no different. So what I'll do is I'm going to share 4 different methods with you. I'll share with you my own results. I'll show you how to set this up, and more importantly, we'll walk through all of this process step by step. Now, I'll tell you right off the bat, some of these methods are going to cost money and some of these will cost you time. And again, I'll share with you the price and how much it is, etc, etc. So let's jump into the first method and I'll show you this. So the first method is this one over here. Now, I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. This is a piece of software and it's called As a Hard Trader. Now, this is all to do with automated Forex trading. Now, this article I put on my blog over a year ago, and basically what I did was I trialed a piece of software. I had it for, I think it was 4 weeks in this article here, and I shared my results. And this started with, I initially put £1,000 deposit, $1,000, deposit into this piece of software on the 16th of June 2020, and I walk you through, you can see every single day I share my earnings with this. By the end of the 4-week trial, I actually earn, let's go back up here, $579 from the initial $1,000 deposit. So on average, it earned $28.95 every trading day. So this article here, it walks through the whole process. I'll show you how to set this up, what you need to do, what you don't need to do. But basically the whole concept of this is you purchase the software, you connect this to what is known as a broker's account, whereby you put money in. Once you've got your broker's account and you connect it to the software, it runs on autopilot for you. When you purchase this, you get access to a private Facebook group, it comes with a Telegram group, and it also comes with the software and other bits. Now, in terms of this software, it normally costs $2,000. If you go ahead and purchase it via the blog here, you can actually get this for $1,000. Now, I appreciate $1,000 isn't, it's not cheap and, it's not to be sniffed at. However, when I go ahead and, I look back at this article and look at my results, I earn over 50% within the first 4 weeks. Now, I'm not saying to you, that you're going to earn that amount of money. You may earn more, you may earn less. I absolutely don't know. But this article, it was done in June of last year. Fast forward to today. Do I still use this software? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes, it still makes money. Absolutely. So that is the first method for making money online. It is automated Forex trading. And feel free to go ahead and check out this blog article here because I'll walk you through the whole process of how, my results and how to do all of this. The second method I'm going to share with you is over on, where is it? This blog article here. Let me just come down here and show you this. So I did a video on this YouTube channel about how to make money with automated websites. Now, inside of this blog article here, there's the actual video for you. So I've included that down here. You can see here, make money easy without working. It's a bit of a long video because I walk you through setting up the whole thing from start to finish. But basically what happens here is you purchase the software, and from memory, I think it was $99. Again, it's all included in this blog article here for you. But basically what this does here is it takes complete YouTube channels like this one over here and it turns it into a blog article or a website like this. Once it's done this, it runs on autopilot. So you set this up once and then it just runs on autopilot. And this blog article here, it walks you through the whole process. Now, I put this blog article out, I think it was about 3 weeks ago. And you can see on here at the time, see here, fast forward to today, here you'll see the clicks. So basically what I've done is I've set this up, and inside of the blogs or the websites that this software has created for me, I have put a link tracker inside of there. And you can see at the time when I published this blog article, for this one here, how to make money on YouTube, at the time I'd had 28 clicks. And then down here, this As a Hard Trader, I had 98, and you see this one here in the middle, I actually turned this one off, so this should still be 68 clicks. So let's fast forward to today and have a look at the number of clicks that I'm getting here. So if I come over into Bitly, let me just drag this over here so we can do a like-for-like comparison. So how to make money on YouTube free course, it's now up to 244 clicks. At the time, you can see here, it was 28 clicks. YouTube passive success, this one here was 68. I imagine it's still the same. It's 69, but I'm not sending any traffic to this. And then as a hard trader, it was 239, and it is 239, and previously it was 98. So you see here, you can see the actual date of when I set this up. And then this one here is a recent one. You can see I set this up exactly a week ago, and it's already had 33 clicks of people going over to a ClickBank offer. So look here, I'm getting traffic and clicks to this every single day, and guess what? I'm not doing anything. I literally, in this example here, and I shared this in this walkthrough video here, in this video I actually set up an automated website in the dating, I think it was dating. Let's go over here and have a look. Let's click on here. Let's go to the ClickBank product. I think it was how to get your ex back. Yeah, look, get your girlfriend back and get your boyfriend back. So I set this website up. It runs on complete autopilot. People are landing on the blog or the website, and then they're clicking the links, and look, I'm getting clicks every single day over to this product over here on ClickBank. So let's say someone lands on the page, they're interested in getting their ex back. Men click here, women click here. So just click on any of these, and then look, it takes them through to a sales page over on ClickBank. And if they go ahead and purchase this product here, which is, how much is this? I don't even know how much it is. Oh look, it's $47, and it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. But the great thing about this is there's content being put onto this website for me every single day, and I'm not doing a thing. It just runs on complete autopilot. And now I'm tracking it, so you can see here from the 25th of February, when we actually tracked this ClickBank offer here, this clicks every single day. Some days we're having, like this day here, we've had 9 clicks. This day, 1 click, 6 clicks, 3 clicks, etc. But it's great because I'm not doing this. So you can set this up in any niche or in any category. And if you want to learn how to do this and see me walk you through the process, come over to this blog article here, and it walks you through the entire process. But it's simple and it's easy, and once you've set it up, it just runs on complete autopilot for you. So that is the second way that I'm making money online automatically by doing nothing, is creating these automated websites. And literally all I do is I get the content from YouTube, it pulls it all into a blog article for me. I find an affiliate product over on ClickBank, I put that affiliate link within the description box or within the blog article. People are clicking on there, and as you can see over here, it's happening every single day. If I come down to this one here, for example, see, we're getting lots of clicks here. And if I come to this one here, again, look, big jump here, etc., etc. So it's absolutely awesome. And I think it's $100 that piece of software, but again, it's all in this blog article here for you. Feel free to go ahead and check it out. The next method I'm going to share with you it's this one over here, and it is Amazon. And you can see here, I've managed to earn $87.47 since the January the 1st to the 3rd of March. So a little over, a little over 2 months, and I've earned $87. Now, $87 isn't a lot of money by any stretch of the imagination in 2 months. However, again, I've not done anything for this. Now, how did I earn this money here? Well, this is coming from something known as a niche website. Now, let me give you an example. This website over here is called Fly Killer Guide. This is a website about killing flies, essentially. And what happens here is, over on this website here, you can see we've got reviews for different products. So people are going on Google and they're typing in, Bug Assault 2.0 review or Bug Assault review, other bits. They land on this blog article here, scroll down, and you can see, come further on the page here, look, where is it? Final thoughts, look. If they click here, it goes over to Amazon. I earn an affiliate commission. You can see we've got other links here to Amazon, and we've got a random guy on there with a Bug Assault. But yeah, so people are searching on Google for this. They're landing on this blog here, and basically they're going ahead and clicking it and going over to Amazon, and I'm earning an affiliate commission. And you can see we've got a number of these different articles on here. These are all basically buyer intent words. So if someone's searching for the best electric fly swatter, it's very likely they're in the market for one of these. Now, the earnings from this Fly Killer Guide, it's not huge at all. It's $87. But this website here, I actually purchased this instead of creating the content myself. But I purchased this and I've not put any content on here in, oh, blimey, I can't remember, probably about 6 or 7 months. It's something I need to, spend a little bit of more time on. But at this moment in time, it's just not a focus of mine in any way, shape or form. However, it's still bringing in, as you can see on here, it's bringing in a passive income from the work which has been done previously. And it's now, it's on Google, people are landing on here organically, but it's not a big niche. It's not never going to bring in thousands and thousands of pounds every month, but it's a nice passive income. Now, in terms of creating this, these websites and things like this, you can go ahead and you can do this and learn all of this for free using this website here. I'll drop a link to this below for you. Go ahead and check this out over here. This website over here, you can see it's a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. Basically, it's geared around, scroll down here, look, it's build beautiful profit ready websites. This platform here, they will show you how to create content which can then get picked up in the search engines and drive traffic. And also you can see on here, they include 2 free websites. So you can go ahead, click the link down below, it will take you over to the home page, which looks like this. You can go ahead, you can get 2 websites up and running, and look here, it takes less than 30 seconds to build a beautiful looking mobile and revenue ready website. So it's all done for you, except for you need to create the content. Now, in terms of the content inside of this wealthy affiliate, they will show you strategies to attract lots of traffic. They also show you how to partner with Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify and many more. They've been around for 16 years. They're available in 193 countries. But overall, if you're interested in going down this niche blogs or niche websites, then this is a great free resource that you can use. And look, this example over here, this fly killing website that we just looked at, that's just one example. There's thousands of different niches and categories that you can go into with niche blogs, and it's not just Amazon. You can earn money, eBay, Etsy, there's thousands more. So that is the third way. The final way, and it's a relatively new one because I just shared this on my blog 2 days ago, it's this one here. Now, this is very similar to, not that one, it's very similar to this one over here. It's automated Forex trading. The difference between this one here and the first one that I checked out nearly 6 months ago is with this new piece of software here, you can get a 2-month trial for this for $99. And there's not just one piece of software available with this company here. There's 4 different pieces of software that you can go ahead and trial and test. Now, the same over here. I've got access to 2 pieces of software. I trialed them both for 4 weeks and I shared my results. You can see on here, this was the first piece of software, and you can see week 1, week 2, 3, 4, week 4 results. Let's show you this. So week 4 on that piece of software was $287 profit with a $500 account. The second piece of software that I tested was, come down here, we earned with the second piece of software $161 in 4 weeks testing of this as well. So look, that is 4 different ways that I am automating making money online. Which is the best one? Well, in terms of profits, I would probably say the automated Forex trading. But it's automated, it's the Forex market, so it isn't risk-free. There is an element of risk with anything when it comes to making money online, and this is no different. So if you want, bigger profits and more money, then I would suggest one of these, Forex pieces of software, and I'll drop links to them below. You can go ahead, check out these blog articles and have a look at this. If you want something, a little less risky, which you set this up and it runs on complete autopilot, then I would say go ahead and check out this article here, how to make money with automated websites, because it's simple, it's easy, it walks you through the process, and as you've seen over here, the links and the clicks that I'm getting to, these different products that I'm promoting, they're happening every single day without me doing a thing. And then obviously if you want to go down the niche websites, again, I'll drop a link over to this platform over here for you. Go ahead and check this out. It's absolutely free. But look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.